Alright guys, so I'm pulling up to one call. This is going to be a maintenance 15-year-old unit, and I have a feeling it's a Lennox. Now it's Christmas Eve, and if it is a Lennox, we've seen a lot of cracks forming on the primary welds going to the secondary. So I'm about to head in there and hoping for the customer that we don't have crack, but I've been finding a lot of those, so I'll let you guys know, and if I do find it, I will take video footage of where to find that and how to do so. So let's see what we can do. Alright guys, got the bulb blower pulled. I'm gonna crawl in here. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this, but so the rotting heat exchanger right here. Not good. Alright guys, so I've calibrated the CO meter outside. We're showing 0 parts per million. I'm gonna head indoors. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I took a video just to show you guys. That's the first time I've seen it do that.
Well, means we're gonna have to ruin someone's Christmas tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, worst timing ever. So I'll show you guys the video. Yeah, see, 2 parts per million now. Alright guys, can't believe that one actually was exactly what I said before going in. So, had to shut her down. I mean, here in Canada, any parts per million in the house gets immediate shutdown. So, sales is going out. They're going to get a new one put in tomorrow. So Lennox G41, find that spot, pull the blower, check, do your due diligence, and yeah, so that one there, I even went outside twice, recalibrated my CO detector or meter analyzer, and went in as soon as I went in and started picking it up. So yeah, that was a good one. I actually didn't think I'd find CO on there, but we did. So that's it. I'm about to do another repair call. If I can get you any more footage, I will. Until then, guys, thanks for watching. Later.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.